Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric grills for home that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Yohagen Electric Indoor Grill, a versatile 2-in-1 smokeless grill that's perfect for those who love variety in their meals. With a 1,500-watt heating element, this grill offers both a baking tray and grill mesh, allowing you to prepare everything from juicy steaks to fluffy pancakes. The adjustable temperature control provides precision cooking, giving you the flexibility to handle delicate seafood or seared meats with ease. Plus, it comes with 3 mini raclette trays, ideal for melting cheese or cooking side dishes. The design is compact with a sleek black finish, and the non-stick removable plates are a huge plus for hassle-free cleaning. The grill is constructed with durable stainless steel and feels solid, though it's slightly heavier at 7.3 pounds, making it less portable compared to other options. Performance-wise, the grill heats evenly and offers a smokeless experience, thanks to its innovative design, making it suitable for indoor use without worrying about fumes or odors. While the Yohagen is feature-rich, the lack of a listed price might make it harder to evaluate its value proposition. It's ideal for small families or individuals who enjoy diverse cooking options, but the absence of customer reviews and pricing transparency might be a drawback for some. Overall, it's a solid pick for versatility, but better suited for those willing to explore its features without a clear upfront investment. At number 4, we have the Chefman Smokeless Indoor Electric Grill, a budget-friendly choice with an elegant copper finish that's perfect for casual grilling enthusiasts. With an extra-large 15 by 9-inch grilling space, this model is designed for families or small gatherings, letting you prepare main dishes and sides simultaneously. The adjustable temperature control ensures customizable heat levels, while the pyramid-style non-stick grill plate and water-filled drip tray help pull excess grease away and keep the cooking environment smokeless. The Chefman grill is lightweight at just 4.4 pounds, making it easy to move around and store. Its aluminum construction is sturdy, though the design is less premium compared to higher-end models. Cleanup is a breeze, as the grill plate, base, and drip tray are dishwasher safe. Performance-wise, it heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures, but the single heating element may be limiting for more complex recipes. At $39.99, this grill is an excellent value for beginners or occasional grillers who want to enjoy the flavors of outdoor grilling indoors. However, the lack of advanced features like interchangeable plates or higher heat limits might make it less appealing for serious cooks. Overall, this is a great entry-level grill for its price, with solid performance for everyday use. At number 3, we have the Elite Gourmet EMG 980B Electric Tabletop Grill, a budget-friendly option that offers solid performance and versatility for its price. With a circular 14-inch grilling surface, this grill is perfect for families or small gatherings, allowing you to cook multiple items at once. The nonstick coating ensures easy food release, and the adjustable temperature control lets you customize settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The tempered glass lid is an excellent addition for monitoring your food without heat loss. Design-wise, the Elite Gourmet Grill is compact and lightweight at 6 pounds, making it easy to store and transport. The aluminum construction feels durable, and the Cool Touch base and handles enhance safety during use. Its circular heating element provides even heat distribution, though it may take slightly longer to reach high temperatures compared to premium models. Cleanup is straightforward, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Priced at $39.99, this grill is a great option for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable indoor grilling experience. However, its limited features and lower heat output may not satisfy advanced cooks. It's ideal for casual users looking for a simple, effective grill without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, a mid-range model that delivers premium features for its price. With a high searing heat of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this grill locks in juices and flavors, making it ideal for steaks, burgers, and other hearty dishes. The 118 square inch grilling surface is large enough to serve up to 6 people, and the PFAS-free non-stick grate ensures easy food release and cleanup. The viewing window is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the lid. Built with stainless steel, this grill exudes durability and a sleek, modern aesthetic. It weighs 8.14 pounds, so it's slightly bulkier than other models. But the sturdy construction makes it feel premium. Adjustable temperature control lets you cook a variety of foods with precision, and the extra-large drip tray prevents messes by catching juices and grease. Cleanup is effortless, as the lid, grate, and drip tray are all dishwasher safe. Priced at $100.95, the Hamilton Beach Grill offers excellent value for those seeking a versatile, high-performing indoor grill. While it's not the most compact model, its consistent cooking performance and thoughtful design features make it a standout choice for families or regular grillers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill, the ultimate premium option for indoor grilling enthusiasts. With interchangeable grill and griddle plates, this model offers unmatched versatility, allowing you to prepare everything from char-grilled steaks to fluffy pancakes. Its 500 Fahrenheit max heat ensures professional-level searing and grilling, delivering perfect char marks and locking in flavors. The edge-to-edge heating eliminates hot and cold spots, ensuring consistent cooking results every time. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a durable metal and plastic construction that feels both premium and sturdy. At 7.8 pounds, it's portable yet substantial enough for stable countertop use. The perforated mesh lid minimizes smoke and splatter, keeping your kitchen clean, while the non-stick plates and detachable components make cleaning incredibly easy. Just pop them into the dishwasher. The family-sized 14-inch surface comfortably cooks meals for 4 to 6 people, making it ideal for gatherings. Priced at $149.95, the Ninja Grill is an investment, but one that pays off with its top-tier features and performance. It's perfect for passionate cooks who want restaurant-quality grilling results from the comfort of their kitchen. The higher price point may deter budget shoppers, but for those seeking the best indoor grilling experience, this is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.